Hey, welcome to John's Guitar Lab. Today we're going to do a tune by Bob Dylan called Mr. Tambourine Man. All right. The version I'm going to do is the one by the Byrds. Okay, so Google that and check it out. Some of you might know it. It's got that signature introduction that the guy does with the 12 string. We're going to do that with the 6-string guitar. Now, as you see up there, the two papers or whatever I have on the board there. One of them is sort of John's tab. The other one, you could see that it has the chords. Okay, now the first at the beginning on the chord paper, all right, what we're looking at there, just so you know, you see a D, an A, and a D, and an A. So 4 bars of that is D, A, D, A, all right. What that is, that's the introduction. So those chords, for those that don't want to play the single string introduction, you can play the then go right into Hey Mr. Tambourine, okay? For those that want to play the single string, it's this. Whoop, not that one. And not that one either. Okay, so let's go that real slow for the single string. It's 4th string opened, 3rd string, 2nd fret. Okay, then it's 4th string opened again. Then it's 2nd string opened. Then it's 3rd string, 2nd fret. 3rd string opened. Then it's 4th string, 4th fret. 4th string, 2nd fret. 4th string opened. 4th string, 2nd fret. And again 2nd fret. Then open. And then 2nd fret. All right, so what that is, take your time and you learn it. It's not difficult, but it's not easy either. Okay? Again. Okay? And you just play the line that you see there. You just play it twice. Okay? Because it's the total of the 4 bars. So the chords would be, then it goes in the G chord. Hey, G. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man, play a song for me. Okay, so again, with this here, most of you, well, in fact, all of you should know the chords. So it's just a question of, counting the... So let me just jump to the part that, I want to make you aware of. All right, you'll see there's a repeat sign. It's on bar 22. All right, it's the G, and then it goes then, and you'll see that it'll go through, and this has what we call a 1st and 2nd ending. What that means is from that G chord, you'll see that you go down to the next line, and you'll see sort of the D that's blocking the number 1 with the bracket. You play that. Then you play all the way through till you see the bottom, the A chord there, and then there's a repeat sign. The repeat sign, you take it back to the G chord, where you see up there, all right? And from there, you play it through. When you get to the D, where it's the number 1, you're not going to play that. You're going to jump down to the last line, and you'll see it's G and a number 2. And then there's the A with the 2 bars. Okay. For those that might be wondering, what you see on the board, I can't turn around and look at that. All right, so I have a copy, a hard copy right here. All right, so in case you're wondering, I'm not that crazy. Anyway, moving right along, that's Mr. Tambourine Man. Take your time with it. As always, have fun with it, enjoy it. If you have any questions, comments below. If you like what you hear, give me that thumbs up and please subscribe. Take care, have a nice day, and stay safe.